Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Monsoons are around the corner and occasional downpours have already started in many parts of the country. The fragrance of wet soil, washed up trees and greenery looks so heavenly. But at the same time, if not taken care of properly, change in weather can create a havoc at our homes. Increased moisture increases pests, fungus, food spoilage, slippery surfaces and waterborne diseases. In order to make sure our home is ready to welcome monsoon, here are a few points that I incorporate in my house. Today's video is made in collaboration with Livpure. Let's get started. House plants can bloom during this season. However, excess rain can ruin the outdoor plants, especially succulents. Keep them at a safer place to protect them from direct pouring. This promotes their healthy growth. Also, always remember, having too many plants indoors can increase the humidity at home as they can retain moisture. With monsoon comes moisture, and it is a well-known fact it stimulates the bacterial growth. So it becomes utmost important to keep our food safe and dry. Any type of flour like wheat flour, gram flour, rice flour, etc. catch mites or insects in monsoon season. Dry fruits and nuts also get spoiled in the rainy season if kept outside. Keep them in the freezer to increase their shelf life. Pulses and rice should also be protected from insects by placing a couple of bay leaves and red chilies. Any packaged food like biscuits, cookies and snacks gets soggy after opening the packet. Either finish all or transfer the items in airtight containers to prevent them from getting soggy. Proper washing before cooking is very important in the rainy season. Vegetables may get infected with worms. Also, this is the time when people fall sick due to contaminated water. So, what's the solution? Manual boiling, filtering and storage can help to an extent if you have time and space at home. Second is having reasonable and quality RO water purifier installed for assured, safe and hygienic water. Generally, any good water purifiers are in the range of 10 to 15,000, which have an annual maintenance cost of rupees 4 to 5,000. Here I would like to introduce Livpure RO, which you can rent for free. With its advanced 7-stage purification, clean water is promised. Best part is Livpure can be managed easily from its innovative smart app. You can get easy and quick updates about your water purifier subscription. You can track the daily and total water consumption, filter health information and get quick service support, and you don't have to pay anything extra for this. There are two plans, limited water which is for rupees 375 per month and unlimited water which costs rupees 525 per month. You can choose the plan according to your family size. Livpure provides free doorstep delivery and free installation. I got this RO system delivered to my home and a technician came to install it. It was a smooth experience. Livpure provides free relocation. This means water purifiers can be reinstalled, making it your permanent partner for healthy drinking water. Livpure covers its services in all Tier 1 cities across India. All the details about Livpure are given in the description box. Water footprints are common during monsoon season. To avoid this as much as possible, I keep a good coir foot mat outside the house, allowing the entrant to clean up their footwear and then enter the premises. I also keep a soft fabric foot mat inside to clean and wipe the feet and then enter to avoid any wet stains. Umbrellas and raincoats are the season saviors and designating proper space for them is important. I keep the ready-to-use umbrellas in one of the drawers of the shoe cabinet in the foyer area. In order to avoid water mess, I keep a basket outside my door for wet umbrellas. This area must also be kept clean at all times to avoid accumulation of moisture and dirt. Wet and muddy footwear can easily make our floors dirty. To make sure we do not carry moisture and dirt into the house, wet shoes should be kept separate from the rest outside the house. Here I would suggest you to invest in anti-slip rain shoes, which are not only easy to wash and dry but also protect us from accidental fall due to slippery surfaces. Rainy weather brings a lot of humidity and moisture. When humidity and moisture levels are high in your home, it can cause all sorts of issues like molds and fungus on clothes, shoes, etc. Moisture controllers like Absorbia and silicone soak up the excess moisture from its immediate surroundings and collect it, preventing all forms of moisture damage and keep our belongings damp-free. Conduct a quick inspection of walls, ceiling and windows to ensure that there are no cracks. If they are not properly sealed, it can result in damages like leaks and high humidity levels. Rainproofing our windows is very crucial to ensure a dry yet good ventilated atmosphere. Humidity is high during monsoons, which provides a breeding ground for cockroaches, termites, ants, insects, mosquitoes and flies. Not only do these unwanted guests harm our health, but can also harm the building. Pest control is a good idea as it will provide you with additional protection against these pests. In a place like Bengaluru where daily pouring is common, wetting our shoes and bags is really common. For school-going kids and office-going people, using bag protectors and shoes protectors adds a shield and prevents water seeping into our personal belongings. Don't forget to keep 1 or 2 umbrellas in your car as well in this season. Keeping a few extra stuff like old newspapers, cleaning cloths and a towel can help to keep the car dry and clean. Don't forget to clean your car from inside as trapped moisture can be a breeding ground for fungus. These small steps go a long way in keeping my home clean, protected and happy. While cleaning is important, but please don't forget to enjoy masala chai and pakoras when it is raining. Creating some beautiful memories in a leisure time that will cherish years ahead is also important in the monsoon. Wishing you a very happy and healthy rainy season ahead. Also, don't forget to check out Livpure Smart website if you're looking for a good, safe and reliable RO. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.